Hi guys! Due to the long time use of chemical shampoos, conditioners, styling products or colorants, leave us with itchy, flaky, dandruff scalp. Before we start this remedy, do not forget to subscribe my channel. The oil that I'm going to make today, it will not only decrease the hair fall, but it will also promote the hair growth. It will remove the dandruff and leave your hair soft, silky and shiny. For this oil, you would need 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder. You can easily make this powder by grinding the fenugreek seeds. Add 8 tablespoons of coconut oil. Pour the oil and fenugreek seed in one pan and put it on the bigger pan filled with water. Basically, we are using the double boiler method. Keep the temperature at medium flame. Let it be on stove for minimum 30 minutes or 2 to 3 hours for more benefits. After 30 minutes, take out the oil and fill it in the jar. Massage it in your hair and leave it for 1 hour or overnight. Wash it with lukewarm water with your regular shampoo and conditioner. This is also good for colored hair as it will not remove the color from the hair. How this works? Fenugreek contains nicotinic acid as well as protein that stimulate hair growth. Lecithin present in fenugreek seeds gives shine to your hair and retain its natural color. It is a natural solution to dandruff and hair fall by strengthening and nourishing the hair roots. Fenugreek is also a natural hair conditioner and improves the texture of your hair. The coconut oil that I am using in this remedy is rich in fatty acids that nourish and moisturize the scalp and hair. It combats frizz, get rid of dandruff, remove and prevent lice and promote hair growth. Its antibacterial properties may ward off folliculitis, an infection of the hair follicle, and may also fight fungal infections such as ringworm of the scalp. Use this hair oil for twice a week at least, and from the first wash, you will start noticing the results. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye bye.